Hi,
Hi, this is my beautiful baby.
I just got my new shoe. My shoe beautiful.
Binibidyo ko rin.
Dati daw nakakaanim na kanin yan. Ngayon, dalawa lang.
Oh, pa. This is my mama.
This is my mama.
Hi guys.
What are you doing, mommy?
I'm eating.
What are you eating?
It's kunyel, guys.
Is it yummy?
Yummy.
Yes,
Ate din.
and this is my ate.
Hi guys.
Guys, this is my ate.
What are you eating?
Mais kunyel.
Wow! And I'm eating barbecue. Is that good? Ayun siya, guys.
Ayun sila, guys. And the doctor. Where's the doctor?
Hello.
Hi, hi.
Mommy, what are you eating? What's that?
Coffee.
Oh. So,
You're so bad. My dad.
hi, guys.
I swim every day. I saw the bubbles in there.
Oh, this is my Kuya Jose. Please.
This is my kuya. Hi, kuya.
Hi, kawin ka daw.
What are you eating?
Who is that? Who is that?
Kain mo. Ano inom mo?
Who is that?
Wow, ang sarap. Sarap. Sarap ba?
And who is that? And who is that?
Nanay, ano kain mo, Nay?
Tissue, tissue.
Kanin. Ayan.